Firstly, happy 70th birthday to UNICEF, to an institution that has been doing such brilliant work. It's an absolute honor, actually, to be a celebrity advocate for UNICEF. But today I'm also that, but I also wear another hat today, which I'm very proud of, which is of a radio jockey. So I'm also one of y'all. I had a show last year which was What Women Want, actually. The name was What Women Want. But I think today we're gathered here to discuss what mothers want, what families want, what fathers want. That is where the UNICEF campaign comes in, Every Child Alive. What they want is every child, wherever, however, whatever, in whatever condition they are born, they have to be alive. That's all that we want. And I know, being an RJ, the power of what radio jockeys have, the influence that they have over the masses pan-India. I think एक आवाज़ की गूंज से एक रेडियो जॉकी की आवाज़ पहचानी जाती है, and जो I love hearing my favorite radio jockeys, and if they say something, I think their voice kind of resonates with the entire nation. And that's why I'm so happy to have partnered with Radio for Child Awards, to have all of y'all here who have worked tirelessly day in and day out to spread the message of our campaign, Every Child Alive, to educate, empower, engage so many mothers out there, so many young mothers, so many families, fathers who have no idea on immunization, who have no idea on health boosters, who have probably no knowledge. And all of you guys and the power of radio have actually done that. And that's why we're here today. And I am so very grateful for that. The government also has been tirelessly working to provide services, pan-India to all the mothers. I think one example which I have is, when I actually delivered Taimur, the first thing I was also worried about was that the first thing I asked the doctor was that, how do I protect him from pneumonia? How do I protect him from the hundreds of diseases that, I've been hearing of? And what I thought when he presented me the immunization chart, that was something that I actually held on to. It was something that I was like, this is what it is for my child to be alive. And when I realized what I felt, my heart went out to so many of those mothers across the nation who possibly don't even know that this exists. And I think that is why this cause is so close to my heart, because it's something that I relate to. It's something that I keep track of. It's something that I know that, okay, abhi 6 mahine baad, this is what I need to do. This is what I have to do to protect my child. So if I am doing it, I want all the young mothers, first-time mothers, to have to understand that this is just a necessity. And if I can lend my voice to it, I think this is something that, I've taken it upon myself. We're actually just 2 days away from Mother's Day. I actually had to be also reminded by my own mother that, it's 2 days to Mother's Day. And so please come and have lunch with me, because I have been very busy. But this Mother's Day, I want to make a pledge that we all in this room, of course, we're all like-minded, we're all here for the same cause, but we have to make a pledge to keep every child alive. And that's all that I think I would want this Mother's Day as a gift. Of course, donate to UNICEF, be a part of our program. I think that is something that I would want. And I'm just so happy that I can personally be here to congratulate all the all the radio jockeys for their work. So thank you so much. Every Child Alive is a dream. It is a vision that UNICEF and I have, but it is a dream that very slowly and steadily we are making come true. So thank you so much.